Alright, hello, greetings, and welcome everyone to this tutorial video that honestly has very little to do with anything except for how to find something in YouTube. I am making this video for one reason and one reason only. I went through the trouble for about an hour or so trying to figure out how to do this very seemingly simple thing where there is no actual tutorial because they moved the menu item in the screen. So we're going to go ahead and show people how to look at their super chats and things for the history of their channel. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in here and show you guys how to do that. And hopefully you don't have to go through the hour of agony that I did to find this information. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first thing you'll notice here is that you have to go to your channel dashboard. You have to go to YouTube Studio. So to do that, if you are, for instance, on... Okay, I have done a terrible job preparing for this. Okay, so when you jump onto YouTube, you're going to want to go up to your little icon, your little face here, and then you're going to want to go to YouTube Studio. Once you click on that, you will come to this menu showing all of your accomplishments and awesomeness as a YouTuber, because I know you guys are amazing and you'll see a lot of cool stuff. Anyway, what you're going to do is you're going to go to Analytics, not Earnings. You don't go down to Earn to see this. You have to go to Analytics. If you go to Earn and then you try to find your supers, it'll give you this screen, which tells you nothing, and it's very sad, but it's very true. You do not find your super chats here, so do not go to Earn and super chats. What you want to do instead is click on Analytics, and once you click on Analytics, you're going to see Revenue up here. You're going to go ahead and click on Revenue. After you click on Revenue, you're going to see a breakdown of the last 28 days, and you notice, hey, this guy hasn't gotten any super chats. How you going to see him if you haven't got them? I got you, though. So if you expand this range to a long time, at least for me it's 365 days or so, you'll be able to see the super chats, or you can see those super chats by year. So let's go ahead and jump to 2024, for instance, and you are going to see the estimated revenue for the entire year of 2024. Please don't get on me. I know it's a low number. It's all right. I'm getting started. Anyway, you'll see here that there are super chats here. You want to go to See More. Once you go to See More, it will break down the videos in which you have gotten super chats. When you see those videos, you can click on the video in question, or you can hover over it and go to View on YouTube. Once you view it on YouTube, then you can scroll down to your super chat and make sure that you know who gave you said super chat, so you can make that nice little list at the end thanking all of your subscribers for super chatting and all that kind of stuff and donating and things like that. So that is how you find it. It is the only way to find it, and it is a very click happy process, and it took me quite some time to find it out. But once I found it out, I said, hey, let me go ahead and make sure people out there in the YouTubes actually know how to do this, because it is not easy because they moved it to a place that you would not have expected. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I am the Ninjaneer. If you liked this video, please do all the YouTubey things, the likes, the subscribes, and all that kind of fun stuff. Yeah, hope to see you guys next time for another tutorial or whatever else my brain comes up with to, I don't know, to show you guys. So thank you guys. Catch you next time.